Hey, my friend DK here. Welcome to the channel. So, straight up, if you're looking at myEcon here in 2025, maybe you're checking out, depending on the time that you watch this video, I did a thing and it worked really well. And I'm going to continue doing that thing because it works so well. So, like I said, straight up, if you're looking at myEcon, you're looking at maybe the compensation plan, maybe the new global launch, whatever it is, I'm going to guarantee you sales. Right now, it's only from this video. So at the time you're watching this video is probably going to come out on Sunday or maybe even next week at the time I'm recording this. And you can see the date, which is on your screen right there. That is today's date. And I'm going to be ending this promo. But if you watch this video and you see this video, make sure you watch it all the way till the very end because I'm going to give you specific directions on exactly what to do if you want to take advantage of this thing that I did and all the details coming up in a minute here. I'm going to guarantee you that you make money with myEcon. Now, how can I do that? How's that possible? Well, let's dive into it. So, last week, at the time you're watching this, last week I did a promo. I went live here on my YouTube channel and I told people that I was going to guarantee them that they were going to make a sale. So, just so you can see how it works, on my page here, and this is when you hit the link in the description down below, or you go to myeconglobal.com. I'll put that on the screen so you can see it right there. Okay. When you go to that link or you click the link in the description down below this video, you're going to land on this page right here. Now, on this page, this is a custom page that I created. Okay. This is not inside of myEcon. This is something that I built custom here. Okay. This link right here, when you go to join and you click this link right here, this is the sales rotator link. Okay. So the sale is going to go, you're going to end up joining most likely somebody other than me. But that's what we want. That's what you want, because that means you're helping somebody else make a commission. And then as soon as you get started, you're going to be able to get in there and I'm going to make you a commission, meaning with all the content that I'm putting out here, all the traffic that I drive, my email list, all those things, I'm going to be able to make you a sale. And so how am I going to guarantee that though? Here's the magic. Okay. I did this last week. And as you guys can see here, this is my email inbox. This is my personal Gmail, my email inbox. You can see all the emails coming in from myEcon. Check the dates over on the right-hand side. Literally sales every single day, and sometimes massive amounts of sales, 2-3 sales in a day, 16 sales in a 24-hour period. I am one of the top recruiters inside of myEcon. I make a boatload of sales and I make sales every single day. So what I'm doing is I'm rotating these sales out. I'm giving these sales away. So when you go to my page, that's where it rotates, meaning it's not just my link in there. You can also join other people's links. And I'm literally guaranteeing that you're going to make a sale because of the frequency of sales that I have coming in. So here's what I want you to see. So I just took a few screenshots here, and other thing that I'm going to guarantee you too from this video only. I'm not going to broadcast this everywhere. It's going to be only if you watch this video in regards to getting started with myEcon, joining our team. I'll leave an end card at the end of this video showing you guys our entire system, everything we give you, over $11,000 in free value for starting with our myEcon team specifically. But if you follow the direction in this video, number one, I'm going to guarantee you a sale. Two, you're also going to get extra spots in our sales rotator. So we have two sales rotator. Mine, okay, which I'm going to guarantee you a sale in. And then two, we have a team sales rotator, which we're also going to put you into. And we used to do, depending on what level you came in at, and by the way, this is for EBM, okay, which is the $99 level, or ZTM, which is basically outside of the United States. That's the global level. That's the international level. And again, you'll see all those when you click the link in the description down below, okay? We were doing 10 spots in our team sales rotator. I'm going to do 20 for you. Now, why am I doing this? Because I want you to win. I want you to see how awesome myEcon is. And I can also back it up. I can back up the fact that I can, and I prove this, the data, the documentation, and as they say, documentation beats conversation. I proved it last week and guaranteed that people were going to make sales. And lo and behold, they did. So let me show you some of that, okay? So people reached out to me and said, "Hey, I think I got a rotator sale." So Carlos sent me a screenshot and said, "Hey, not sure if this is from the rotator or not." And I looked, confirmed, yes, it was. Steven sent me an email. I said, "Hey, you made your first sale." He said, "Awesome, thank you so much." Got this text message here. Just got a rotator sale. Thank you so much. Now, how do we know that these are rotator sales? Because these people are brand new. They hadn't even started promoting their business yet. So most likely, these sales all came within their first 24 to 48 hours. So these sales come quick. Okay. This guy here reached out and said, "Hey, I got 2 signups." And then I actually took a look at his account. I said, "Nah, bro, you actually have 3." So he made 3 sales in his first 24 hours, which was absolutely awesome. So let me show you some more data here. So again, remember at the time of this video, okay, it's a Friday. So by the time you see this, I don't know what day it's going to be, what day I'm going to release this video, but check this out, right? This is our team sales report as of right now, as of this morning. So you can see in the week that we're in right here. Okay. So Shannon, so far this week, and it's going to be more today because I'm going to be going live on my YouTube channel here later on today, talking about the same exact thing. So these numbers are going to increase. So Shannon made a rotator sale this week. Okay. I had Stephen G and Stephen J, not to confuse anybody there. William, Robin, John, and Robert all made rotator sales. These people, every single person here, with the exception of Shannon, having a hard time talking this morning. All of these people made rotator sales so far this week. That's the proof and documentation. So again, how does that work? Again, I am one of the top recruiters inside the company. So all of these sales coming in, I'm just rotating them out to brand new people and helping brand new people make sales. So in other words, when you hit the link in the description down below, when you go to get started and activate your myEcon business, and you click this link right here, it says click here to enroll. That is the sales rotator. Okay. That's how it works. So I'm taking all of these sales that I have coming in and I'm divvying them out to you. Pretty cool. Pretty awesome. So check this out. If you want to take advantage of this and you want me to guarantee you a sale, now this is for new members only. This does not exist if you've been with me or you're already on our team. This is not for you. This is just for new members. I want to help new people out. Okay. That's why we do what we do. This is what you're going to do. You're going to go here and you're going to send an email if you want in on this. Okay. First thing you can do is you can get started. You can go to myEcon.global.com or click the link in the description down below. You can get started. Pick your membership level. Remember, it's got to be EBM, and you'll see it on the join page. It'll be listed clear as day. You'll see it on the join page. Okay, go there. This is really important. You need to send me an email. Okay, you need to send me an email, and you need to put the word rotator in the subject line. Now, the only other thing I'm going to add to this, because this is a webinar slide from when I was live, and I'm just going to make one small addendum to this. So meaning if you're watching this video, if you're on YouTube, you're on my channel right now, you're looking to get started with myEcon, and you want me to guarantee you a sale, okay? What you're going to do is in the subject line, you're going to put the word rotator, sorry. You're going to put the word rotator, and you're also going to put the word guarantee. Okay, I need you to add that in there. Guarantee is what you're going to put. So that way I know for sure, okay, that you saw this video and you want to take advantage of this one-time offer that I'm doing. So in the subject line, after you activate, okay, do that first. Link in the description down below, myEconGlobal.com, either one. Activate your business. Subject line, rotator, guaranteed. That's all you have to put. You don't have to write me a novel. And then in the body of the email, put your myEcon username. So then I can verify it. I can make sure that you're active. And then I can get you into the rotator. And yes, I will guarantee you will stay in my personal sales rotator until you make a sale. I'm going to guarantee that you're going to make money with myEcon. You have my personal guarantee. Okay. So that's it. Simple, easy. Straight up, my friend, if you're looking at myEcon in 2025, this is the best way to go. You're going to get our proven and documented team training site, our sales funnels, all the methods that we use, and the reason why our team is growing so quickly with myEcon. You're going to get all of that, and you're going to get my personal guarantee that you're going to make sales. I'm going to put you in my personal rotator. I'm going to give you additional spots in our team sales rotator, and we're going to help you win right out of the gate. So appreciate you for watching, my friend. Any questions, drop a comment down below. If you made it to this point in the video, hey, give the video a thumbs up. And also, if you made it here and you're not subscribed for whatever crazy reason, do me a favor, smash that subscribe button. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified first anytime I put out new content. That's what that bell icon does, by the way. You'll be notified before anybody else, which is really cool because when I do promos like this, people will be able to take advantage, and it's a really cool thing. So thank you for watching, my friend. Appreciate you. Go ahead, link in the description right now. Get started. Or if you need more information, hit the end card right here, right now at the end of this video. And that is it, my friend. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.